Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is Friday Freebie. It's a lovely free printable that you guys could download, print and play with immediately, and I'm going to show you in just a second where. This background here, in the beginning of the month I shared a similar one and the feedback has been amazing. Thank you so much. I know how much you loved that freebie, so I thought for this week I gave you another one which is part of the same collection but very different, still with the same wood textures and garden features, but again a different one with very vibrant pastel blues and pink. This background here has been designed from my VIP membership papers for the month of April. In case you are new to my channel, my VIP lounge is simply a membership. Every month when you join, you get digital papers, gift boxes, a magazine, bookmarks, 3D gift boxes. You get loads and loads, starting from £2. Yeah, very, very cheap. Let me show you what you get when you join for the month of April. The main theme for April is gardening. Okay, so the first kit is called Whispers from the Garden, and it's a collection of, like, there's a lot of florals, there's a lot of like natural textures. I'm just gonna give you a quick flick through. So you've got one page here with a lovely background with like wood and flowers. Then you've got a page with all the wellies for gardening tools. The palette is all the same, so there's this baby blue, pastels and pinks. Okay, so it's all working together. This page here, you've got 4 backgrounds scaled, so you can make like card bases, greetings card, vintage cards. You can either do like little seeds packets, things like that. You've got a page with butterflies decoration and some ephemera pieces that you can either layer, because these butterflies are bigger than this, so you can layer them up. Another background with all like the gnome, the boots, the Wellington boots, some lavender, the bees, everything you need in the garden. Another plain background with wood textures. Of course, couldn't be a kit without some watering cans. Just a plain small case floral background. Oh, this is my favorite page of the kit because it's got these very bright blues and pinks. Then you got a page with 3 tags, 1, 2, 3, and then an envelope. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it because it's quite, oh yeah, if I zoom it in you can see them all. Each month you get a collection of bookmarks or tags. This month the bundle is this one. It says 4 very large rectangular tags. Again, you can use, they're designed to be bookmarks, but you can use as tags as well. Again, there is like birds, there is fruit, there is like natural things, and there's like magazines. I do like a little collage. Love these. Then each month you get a letter gift box. We nearly finished the alphabet. We are on letter X, and this month is this one here. So you get, this is probably the easiest letter to be put together because you get the front and the back, which are exactly the same, and then you get 2 tabs for that, and then the two square tags from the top. Okay, which is 2, 3 and 4. Very, very easy to make, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done up. This is what it looks like when it's done up in 3D. Very, very easy to make, and all my 3D gift box letters stand up, okay, because as I said, 3D. Very easy to make, and I think it's super cute with this month papers. Let me show you all the alphabet that we've done so far. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter, of course, is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R, S, lovely like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V. And then letter W, letter X. Every month, you also get a digital magazine. Now, this month, I'm gifting you Molly Makes. Molly Makes is a magazine that does all sorts of crafting, not just paper craft, but it's jewellery making, there is knitting, there is paper craft, there is card making. So it's more crafting on a 360 degrees. So loads ideas and inspirations. So this edition is from April 2013 and it has 108 pages. And yeah, loads. It's probably one of my favorite craft magazine because, as I said, it's not just paper. So you get all different, as you can see, I'm giving you a quick flip through. You get all different projects. Last but not least, every month you get a gift from me, which is normally another digital paper set. And this month is this one. It's called the Garden Fairies. Of course, it's a little gift that I'm giving you. And it's all the alphabet with the lovely fairies. Okay, so we got A to H. So there's 8 cards on each page. Then we got letter I to letter P. Lovely. Q to Z. And then the last page, I decided to give you 4 large backgrounds that you can do anything that you want with them. I've got a couple of ideas of what I want to do with these papers. So yeah, this is what you get for the month of April. Starting price is £2 a month, and I don't really know what you get nowadays with £2. I know you can't get a coffee because coffee is becoming very expensive, but yes, so all of this for as little as 2 months. So you saw everything that you get, and let me show you how to join in case you guys want to join my membership and become a VIP members. Let me show you everything on my website. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Because these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now, I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then you have my VIP Lounge. My VIP Lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members, digital bookmarks and tags, Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template, we're doing alphabet, and then soon we're gonna move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalog. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. Okay, so you can pay monthly, or you can have one payment on the yearly, where it's £20 a year. Okay, so you just pay once. On this, you pay monthly. On this, you only pay once. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And I really appreciate every single one of you. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Guys, back to the freebies. How do you get this lovely page here? As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Before we go, guys, I just want to remind you about my craft stash. I've done a video a couple of days ago. I will put the video link down the bottom. Basically, I've got few boxes left. I'm doing a huge stash of like inks, papers, dies, stamps, washi tape, etc. So I pulled them together into little boxes. Few already gone, but please guys, help me to get rid of all of this. There is still few boxes available, £20 a box, free shipping for all the UK only. Okay, I'll put the video at the end of this one as well in case you guys have missed it. Please support me to get rid and get your hands on some fabulous bargains. Guys, I'm going to go big thumbs up if you like this freebie. Really, truly appreciate your support, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification saying how fabulous I am. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.